In this video, you'll learn how to transfer a domain from Ionos to Godaddy. I'll walk you through each step clearly, so even if this is your first time moving a domain, you'll know exactly what to expect and what to click. Before we start, make sure you've already unlocked your domain at Ionos and requested the authorization code, sometimes called the EPP code or transfer key. You'll need that code a little later in the process, so keep it handy in a safe place. Let's begin on the Godaddy side. Open your web browser and head over to the Godaddy website. Once you're there, look for the option related to domains and then choose the domain transfer section. You want the dedicated domain transfer page, which is specifically designed for bringing in domains from other providers like Ionos. On the domain transfer page, you'll see a field where you can type in the domain name you want to transfer. Carefully enter your full domain name, including the extension like .com or .net. Take a moment to double check your spelling, because even a small typo will cause the transfer check to fail or try to transfer the wrong domain. When you're sure it's correct, start the search so Godaddy can look up that domain. Godaddy will now run a quick check on your domain status. One of the key things it looks for is whether your domain is unlocked at Ionos. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a confirmation indicating the domain is ready to transfer. Godaddy often shows this as a green bar or a similar visual indicator. That green bar means the domain is unlocked and available for transfer. If you don't see that green bar, or you get a message that the domain is locked, pause here and go back to your Ionos account. Make sure you have disabled any transfer lock and turned off privacy settings if required. Once those changes are saved, return to the Godaddy transfer page and run the check again until you get the all clear. When the domain status looks good, the next step is to enter the authorization code you previously obtained from Ionos. You'll see a field prompting you for this code. Carefully paste or type it in, making sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. This authorization code is what proves to Godaddy that you're allowed to transfer this domain, so it has to match exactly. After you enter the authorization code, Godaddy will validate it. If the code is correct, you'll be able to proceed to the final part of the process, checkout. At this point, you'll review the transfer details, including how long you want to extend the registration and the total cost. Godaddy usually adds at least 1 extra year to your domain's registration when you transfer, so confirm the renewal period and the contact information shown for the domain. Once everything looks right, complete the checkout like you would with any online purchase. Submit your payment details, confirm the order, and finish the transaction. After checkout, the transfer request is officially submitted. The actual move from Ionos to Godaddy can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days, depending on how quickly the losing registrar releases the domain and any confirmation emails you may need to approve. And that's it. You've started the transfer of your domain from Ionos to Godaddy by visiting the transfer page, entering your domain, confirming it's unlocked, providing the authorization code, and completing the checkout.